Good evening everyone! Gabi na naman. It's evening again and let's do our pronunciation video ng mga Tagalog words and phrases posted from our page last week. At let's start with vacation. Bakasyon. 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 If you want to say, I need a vacation, kailangan ko ng bakasyon. Or, if you want to say, I'm going to have a vacation in the Philippines, magbabakasyon ako sa Pilipinas. Next one, relationship. Relasyon. 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 Plan, sa Tagalog, plano. 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 So, if you want to ask someone, what's your plan? Anong plano mo? Anong plano mo? Or, if you're the one being asked, anong plano mo? And you want to say, you don't have a plan? Wala akong plano. Wala akong plano. And maybe you have a plan and your plan is having a vacation and you wanna say, I'm planning to have a vacation. Sa Tagalog, plano kong magbakasyon. Plano kong magbakasyon. At let's say, wait sa Tagalog. Wait. Hintay. If you wanna tell someone, wait. Hintay. 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 At let's say that sa future, present, at past tense. If you wanna say, I'll wait for you, hihintayin kita. Hihintayin kita. Hihintayin kita. Or, maybe you wanna say, I'm going to wait. Maghihintay ako. Maghihintay ako. At, if you wanna say, I'm waiting, naghihintay ako. Or, I'm waiting for you, hinihintay kita. At the past tense, if you wanna say, I waited for you, hinintay kita. Hinintay kita. Hinintay kita. Or, I waited, naghintay ako. Naghintay ako. Proteksyon, sa Tagalog, proteksyon. 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 Syon. Halimbawa, or example, you wanna say, I'm going to protect you. Proprotektahan kita. Proprotektahan kita. Or, proproteksyonan kita. Proproteksyonan kita. Or, proprotektahan kita. And maybe you wanna say, You are protected. Protektado ka. Protektado ka. And the word that I told you about having the same spelling sa English, and the only difference is the pronunciation ay simple. Simple. In Tagalog, simple. 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 Is that so? Is that so? Ganun ba? Ganun ba? Ganun ba? That is a photo of a coconut, or sa Tagalog, nyog. Nyog. Say that again. Nyog. I know that's probably hard to say, but just in case you're having problem with pronouncing nyog, just say niyog. 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 But most of the time, we pronounce it as nyog. Nyog. Also, I just want to add the brown one. The brown coconut is called nyog. And the green one is called buko. 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 How do you say, I'm in a hurry sa Tagalog? Nagmamadali ako. Nagmamadali ako. Nagmamadali ako. Last one, which was posted last Saturday or Sabado, I'm interested. Sa Tagalog, interesado ako. Interesado ako. Interesado ako. Or, if you wanna say, I am not interested, hindi ako interesado. Hindi ako interesado. Interesado ako at hindi ako interesado. Ayan lang for last week's pronunciation video ng mga Tagalog words at phrases. See you on the next video at have a wonderful week. Bye!